Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy curry with canned tuna. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, preferably in oil or water, along with 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. For spices, grab 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a small pinch of chili powder. Don't forget 1 can of creamy coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and some fresh cilantro for a vibrant finish. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a medium-sized pan or pot over a steady medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely chopped onion. Sauté these until they turn soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger. Cook this aromatic mixture for just about 1 minute, allowing their wonderful fragrances to fully develop in the pan. It's time to introduce our spices to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a small pinch of chili powder to the sautéed aromatics. Stir constantly and cook for about 30 seconds to toast the spices, releasing their full aroma. Then, drain 1 can of tuna and gently fold it into the spiced mixture. Finally, pour in 1 can of creamy coconut milk. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully for about 5 to 7 minutes. Allow your tuna curry to gently simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. This helps the sauce thicken slightly and ensures all the flavors are well combined. Before serving, taste the curry and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a touch more chili powder for extra heat. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and color. Serve this delightful, easy tuna curry hot with steamed rice or warm flatbread for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.